Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tessellation or repeated tile work. So first, open a square canvas, click Actions, turn on Drawing Guide, edit Drawing Guide, go to Symmetry, Radial Symmetry, turn on Assisted Drawing, click Done. Okay, now I'm going to make a simple tile for our tessellation. You don't have to use symmetry, but I like using it because it's faster. But you can do it without symmetry. Okay, so now I'm going to color this part. Oh, I don't really like that one. Let me try erasing it. Okay. Okay, there. So now I'm going to show you how to make the tessellation. So first, you duplicate this layer, duplicate it, then go to Transform, it's on Uniform, go to Snapping, Magnetics is on, and Snapping is on. Okay, now you move this layer to a quadrant of the canvas. Then you go to a different layer, do the same thing, move it to a quadrant of the canvas. Okay, Transform, layers, and then, hang on, let me just fix that. Looks like it's, okay, there. Now click Transform, merge the layers together. Now, I'm going to do that. Oh wait, I forgot something. I think I forgot to duplicate that layer. Okay, so duplicate it, transform, move it up, move this layer up, click it again, go to layers, merge layers together, slide, duplicate, transform, move to a quadrant of the canvas, transform, go to layers, go to that layer, move it to a quadrant of the canvas. Okay, click transform again, merge layers together, then duplicate it, and then move it up, click transform. Okay, here's a tessellation. You can repeat as many times as you like.